And there's my fucking furniture. I'm lucky I had them fucking wood plates up there because it went all the way over there. And I fill this trash can up quick as shit. It's fucking coming out there. Coming out there. It went all the way over here. I just mopped some of this. I'll be mopping shit fucking all Thanksgiving weekend. This is the fucking part of living on the lower floor of an apartment. And that ain't nothing but fucking sewer water.